Hello everybody. In these exercises we're going to find the lengths of arcs, and they're all predicated on setting up this ratio here. Arc measure, angle measure, the central angle over 360 is equal to the arc length, which most of the time we'll call x, over 2 pi r, which is the circumference. For number 1 through 4 we're using this diagram here at the right. That tells us for circle O the diameter is 24, that means each radius is 12. And we need to find the length of each arc for the given angle measure. Okay, number 1, angle DOE is 120, so we're going to set that 120 over 360. There we go, 120 over 360. Now, that is equal to the arc length, which is unknown, over 2 pi r. 2 times the radius is 24 pi. Okay, now instead of using 120 and 360, I'm going to reduce that to 1/3. So now the ratio we can focus on, which makes life a little easier, is this right here. Using cross multiplication, 3x equals 24 pi. Dividing by 3, x, our unknown arc length, which is the arc length of DE, is 8 pi. And the decimal for that comes out to 25.1. So we'll show both the non-decimal and decimal answer. Okay, for number 2, we need to find DEA. That is a major arc. If DOE is 120, we've already established that. Well, we first need to add 120 plus 90 to get 210. And so that is our central angle measure, 210 over 360. Equals x over 24 pi. Okay, and again we're going to reduce 21 over 360. That reduces to 7/12, and that makes our calculations a little easier. Here is our ratio we're going to use. As you can see, 12x is equal to 7 times 24, which gives us 168 pi. Dividing by 12, we get 14 pi. And the decimal for that is 44.0. Okay, and that is arc length DEA. For number 3, we need to find arc BC if the measure of COB is 45, sorry. It's right there. Alright, so we'll do 45 over 360. And we're going to set that equal to x over 24 pi. Okay, and we're going to reduce 45 over 360. It reduces to 1 over 8. So here's the ratio we focus on. Set 8x equal to 24 pi. And divide both sides by 8. X is equal to 3 pi, which is approximately 9.4. Okay, handle the same thing for number 4. We'll skip to 5 and 6 here. Number 5, in this circle P, we have the diameter is 15. That means each radius is 7. Okay, and we'll use the same ratio. We need to find arc RT if the measure of SPT is 70. I'll label that here. So we have 70 over 360. I'm going to set that equal to x over 15 pi. That's the circumference of this circle, 15 pi. Using, we will crisscross multiply. X times 360 is 360x. 70 times 15 pi is 1050 pi. Solving for x, we will have, if we divide both sides by 1050 pi, divide both sides by 360, the fraction would reduce to 35 pi over 12, which comes out to about 9.2. And that is arc RT. Let's do one more, number 6. RPT is 50. So RPT, 50 degrees. We'll do 50 over 360. And we're going to set that equal to x over 15 pi. You follow the same procedure to solve for x.